Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make a video play faster or slower in Canva? Changing the video speed can be useful in many situations. For example, you can speed up a long recording to save time or slow down a video to highlight important moments. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change video speed in Canva Mobile. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Then select video. Canva offers several video formats you can choose from. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. You can also open an existing project. If you've already created one, choose a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find a speed, then tap Speed. The speed settings will appear. Drag the slider to the right to increase the video speed, or drag the slider to the left to decrease the video speed. You can also enter a specific value in the input box next to the slider. Adjust the speed until you're happy with the result. Then tap the checkmark icon. The new speed setting will be applied to your video, and that's how to change video speed in Canva Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.